Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello, my name is Mpho Munthali. I'm in incubation at MDI Hub under Commissioner Ndaba. Find us in Living Lab at Musiani View. It's 430 Musiani View next to Special School. And that's where you can find us. We started the business because we saw the gap on the digital transformation in the rural villages. So by this table, we are just trying to close the gap on a digital transformation, and there's also decline in the pass rate of learners. Crime is also taking part in schools. So with the table, it's going to be mounted on the ground, safe use and friendly for use for everyone. The tablet is loaded with education-related data. Kids won't have to carry heavy books every day. Okay, this is a digital table. It has tablet loaded with education-related data. It's for grade 7 and grade 12 learners. It has specially unique features of the hologram where it gives live content, real-time modification and segment reality. So imagine a kid having to see a big whale in a class. And remember, there are learners who are able to remember things when they see than when they hear them. Oh, people, or rather say the government and the private sector and the business itself, they should use our product because what makes it special is that it has the hologram, live content, where you are able to experience real life pictures projected on the 3 decimal places. So it's gonna make a classroom to be fun and easy to learn. How to get in touch with me? My numbers is 0814334844, Musiani View, next to Special School, 430 Musiani View. Thank you.